Hey fellow backyard warriors, Nick here. So this is an older video that I've done where I've made a PVC thumb ring. This is for using the thumb release for archery. And I've gone ahead and uploaded this on the main channel. It's really grown on me. A lot of the things are out of focus, but you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just taking a piece of PVC, cut at an angle, using some heat to shape it, and I'm going to make a thumb ring out of this with a nice ridge for the string to rest on. Once I've done the final fit on this, you can see it's done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.